Hello, Namaste, welcome in. This is Siddhi from Yana's Healing Studio. And in this video, I'm going to give you a little sneak peek into what happens in our Oracle Reading Workshop or our Angel Miracle Workshops. One of the ways to receive your guided messages, your Oracle messages, is to become a channel or a medium where you start directly connecting with the angelic realm. When you start connecting with certain archangels or certain spirit guides, and you start receiving direct messages. As a part of these workshops, as a part of this learning, and to build your connection with the angelic realm, I take up that extra and special care for everyone so that they can become channel and they can receive guided messages. I have some messages here that I will give away to you. Those were taken out by me and some of my students. So go ahead and think of a number between 1 and 6, 1 and 6 included. Any one number you have to think of, and for that particular number, I will be telling you what guidance do you have, or do we have, or do the angels have for you today. So let's begin with a message for people who thought of number 1. Awesome. So this message tells you to win over your inner demons, you need more love inside you. What are your inner demons? Your inner demons are your anger, fear, greed, and many other negative emotions that start taking hold of you, diverting you from what you really need to do or what you really need to walk in your life. And they start eating you alive from inside, whether you know about it or you just don't know about it. One of the ways to deal with them is to replace them with energy of love. Invoke so much of love towards yourself, accept yourself, acknowledge that you need to go ahead and figure out a few things in your life, and allow these demons to be released out of your life. So when you have problems within yourself, you also have a key to them. Now let's move on to people who chose number 2. Alright, the message for you here is to go ahead and be bold. The universe has your back. So if there was something you were planning to do but you thought that it is one of the bold choices to make, do not worry. It is time that you go ahead and make this choice in your life. If there was something that is worrying you over and over, stand for yourself and figure out what you need to do, and do not worry. The universe has your back. So people who chose number 3, add tiny bits of sparks in your life. Everything starts small, but many small drops make a large lake. Awesome. So this tells you about adding few pieces of whatever you need in your life. So if you need more happiness, add small moments in your life that is going to give you, your family members, your loved ones, your friends, your relatives a lot of happiness. If you wanted to add some more bit of success in your life, do take those tiny steps that will eventually lead you to a greater success. So whether it is your work, whether it is your personal relationship, or simply being in harmony with your own self, add tiny bits of spark in that area of your life, or start working on every area of your life and make it grand. So that was a message for people who chose number 3. Here I have a message for people who chose number 4. There's a light at the end of the tunnel. Have more patience, have more courage. Yes, so this is a confirmation from your angels saying that maybe the time might not be seemingly suitable for you in your life right now. Maybe you're wondering when will all the problems come to an end. But whatever you're going through right now could be a blessing in disguise, because very soon you're going to be seeing light at the end of the tunnel. Give it a couple of months and see how things are turning around for you. So now moving on to people who chose number 5. Okay, I'm going to read it the way it is right now. Embellish your sword of tongue with honey of love and compassion. Embellish your heart with jewels of joy, and embellish your body with organic matter. You will not need to embellish your life then. Wow, this is talking to you about being more aware of what you speak, what you think, what kind of emotions you're living through, and what kind of things you are consuming in your life. Consume healthier things, speak sweeter words, keep your emotions and thoughts in check, and then you'll not have to worry too much about your life. The life will start uncomplicating itself. The life will start becoming simpler, making you more peaceful, more at ease, more at comfort, finding you more joy in every walk of your life. So please go ahead and follow this for this year, for the rest of your life, and see how it changes your life beautifully. And this is one last message for people who chose number 6. Build healthy boundaries. There's an energy sucker. Stay healthy. There are times we don't know that one of our friends, one of our relatives, or someone else is sucking the energy out of our system. Or maybe they are in so much of need that they themselves do not know that they are latching on to you, sucking your energies down. This message is a confirmation that it is time for you to keep your aura in check. This is the time for you to cut your cords with them, and this is the time for you to be more aware of your whole being, your whole energy, because there might be people in your life who are sucking your energies down. So that's about it when it came to messages. If you wanted to know little more about how you can become a medium, how you can become a channel and start receiving oracle messages, if you wanted to get your personalized readings done and receive these direct messages for your own life, for your own self, feel free to get in touch with me. My details will be given in the description box below. We will keep coming up with more messages, with more interesting stuff. So do not forget to follow us and like us on our platforms. Thank you so very much.